These are my Audio-Technica ATH M50X headphones, and I've had these headphones for about 5 years now. I've had them since 2016, and throughout these 5 years, these have been my favorite headphones to use on a daily basis. So these have been my primary go-to headphones for daily use, and throughout that time, these have always had phenomenal sound quality. They still sound just as good as they did back when I first got them 5 years ago. But recently, I've decided to look into perhaps getting an upgrade to these headphones because although they do sound really great, although they are still really comfortable to wear, as you'll notice right here, these are starting to tear quite a bit. So you see that a lot of this is coming off right here. And I was also kind of in the mood for getting a Bluetooth headset. So in my case, these are the wired headphones that I have right here. But after doing some research, I realized that Audio-Technica actually later put out a wireless Bluetooth version of this that still sound just as good. They still feel really comfortable, and these are instead Bluetooth. So I decided to do some research. I heard they were really good, and I decided to then pick up the Audio-Technica ATH M50X Bluetooth headphones. That's exactly what these are right here. And I specifically picked up the gunmetal color, which is a limited edition color that they have right here. So in this video, I'm going to be doing my unboxing of this, kind of show you exactly what's inside, and also give you my first impressions on, exactly how these all sound, how they all feel, and kind of my honest opinion about these exact headphones right here, right? So if you're on this video, then that probably means you're doing some research on these headphones, and you're kind of wondering, well, should I pick these up, or should I go with something else entirely? And that's exactly what you'll learn in this video as I go through this unboxing right here, right? So anyways, let's go ahead, let's not waste any more time, and let's get right into things, right? So we got the box right here. There was some tape right here, but I took it off just to save some time, and I'll go ahead and pop this sucker open. So let's do that right now. So simply pull that open. We pull this little thing right here, and we simply can open it right up. Here inside we have the some manual stuff about how it all works and all that, which I don't really think we need that because technology is my life, I guess, right? So inside we have the little case for the headphones, and what's interesting about this is that this actually comes in a hardcover case, which isn't what Audio-Technica used to do. When I got these headphones about 5 years ago, they actually used to give it to you in like a little pouch. So they used to be like, used to have like a Audio-Technica pouch that they used to came in, but it doesn't look like they do that anymore. It looks like they switched to the hardcover case, which I think that I actually prefer better than having like a pouch. I think this just is much more premium in the long term. And so this is what it looks like right here. But if we open it up, this will show exactly what it looks like on the inside. And right off the bat, so right on the inside we have the headphones themselves, of course. It also comes with the cable if you want to listen to it, with the wire, and then also this, I believe, is the charging cable. So when you're charging up, you just plug this in, you just charge it up that way. But let's actually take a look at the headphones and what they of course look like. So again, this is the gunmetal color right here, and right off the bat, I have to say these look absolutely phenomenal. They look totally just badass right there, right? So it's like kind of like a black and like metal, like silverish charcoal type of color right here. And I decided to go with this color not just because it was limited edition, but also because I feel like this style right here goes really well with the type of music that I listen to. So in my case, I've always been very much into rock and metal music. That's always what I've been listening to, ever since I was a kid. I'm specifically into prog right now, so that's like my favorite genre that I listen to pretty much all the time. I listen to a lot of like, Swedish, like Norwegian, like progressive rock type of music, and yeah, a lot of stuff that isn't like too common. But anyways, let's go ahead and let's try these on and I'll kind of show you, kind of give my impressions. All right, so these of course feel very good, feel very comfortable. I noticed that yeah, they just fit perfectly, and yeah, it's not like too tight, not too like loose or anything along those lines. It fits perfectly, and it just yeah, I feel like it just clamps down very evenly, which is really nice, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give my first impressions on exactly how these sound. So I'm going to of course pair these up with my PC right here, and so I'll of course turn on this little switch right here. I'll go ahead and click on add Bluetooth or other device. So I'll hit that, and let's go ahead and let's see if these come up. So we see ATH M50X BT. I'll simply hit on connect right there, and then I'll go ahead and kind of give my honest opinion of these, right? So let's go ahead. I'm going to go to the thing right here, and I will simply play a song, right? So I'm going to put these on right here, and I'll give my honest opinion of these. so right off the bat, I have to say that these sound absolutely phenomenal. I could hear everything perfectly. All the music is coming, coming through together. I hear all the sounds. Everything is just perfect, and it just very. I noticed that the bass is really nice with this as well, which is always really good, and it just everything just sounds really just amazing, right? So far the my first impressions, I'm really impressed with how everything sounds, and I want to go ahead and kind of play just like maybe like one or two more songs right here just to kind of give a impression here. All right, so I don't know how much of the audio has been leaking out, but I have the volume on here on full blast, and so I'll have to see exactly what it sounds like when I, of course, listen to this back. But everything sounds really great, and I want to go ahead and kind of see, like if I, of course, what I also like about these headphones is that when you could put them around your neck, you could either have them facing out like this, and you could simply just play music that way. I don't want to risk getting strike for like copywriting or anything along those lines. But you could also have them facing like this way as well, which I think looks really cool. With the little Audio-Technica logo right there. But overall, I'm really impressed. I think these sound really phenomenal. And if you are someone that is looking for a really high quality pair of headphones that is under $200, then I would say hands down look no further than the Audio-Technica brand right here, right? So I've been a fan of Audio-Technica for over 5 years now. I've always had a great experience with my original my first pair of headphones that I got from them. These of course sound very phenomenal, but having the Bluetooth version I feel just makes this even better because it's of course there's no worrying about like any sort of cables or anything along those lines, right? Which just makes it much more, convenient for the long term, right? So this has been my first impressions of the Audio-Technica ATH M50X Bluetooth headphones. And if you enjoyed this video, if you found this helpful, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoy this, and let me know down below. I'm kind of curious to know what you think of about these so far. Do you plan on, of course, picking up one of these yourself, or if you have already tried these, and let me know what your thoughts are or your experiences down below in the comments, and that will be much appreciated. Anyways, hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to check these out for yourself, I might include a link over to Amazon. You can simply pick these up, and I'll just give a disclaimer, that is my affiliate link, so if you do decide to go through that link and of course pick these up, I do get some sort of credit for that, which is always much appreciated. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video, and anyways, take care.